Hello guys, this is the truth. I want to live from YouTube and my investments, get out of the 9 to 5, live wherever I want and work whenever I want, and especially choose when to work. I know a lot of you struggle with the same topics, and maybe it is just a trend to get out of the 9 to 5 struggle and work for somebody else, but you have to find something which you are really passionate about. And if I'm honest, for me it is YouTube. If you want to grow on this platform, don't watch all the videos, because I did it already, and I can tell you, it is not that easy as you think. I post over 1 year, 1 video per week, and I figured a lot of things out. Posting shorts generates a lot of views, but the viewer, in most cases, don't take it personal, but it is the truth, has not a long attention span. And the thing that you are wanting is to get a solid community, and you don't need millions of people, even a couple of hundreds are enough, which results in the thing that we all want, to live off it. These kind of people who are really loyal, watch your video and like your content, are the people who pay your bills with their attention. What I want to tell you is, I stopped posting shorts and just concentrate myself for the long-form content in which you have to generate a value for the people. You could choose your topic and show your face, which generates even more clicks. If you niche down to a specific topic which is not that popular and don't have a lot of competition, and you could grow faster and live off it. If you start to get money with that, and not doing it like I am doing it currently, everything on my own, edit video, do a voiceover, write the script, be creative and think about the thumbnail and the title, and try to improve for sure, to get better over time, you could grow faster, because if you earn money with YouTube, you can reinvest it into your own channel. You can hire a freelancer in Fiverr or Upwork or whatever platform you like and be able to produce even more with a better quality, because you can't split and be all the time everywhere. And the only reason why I'm telling you that is YouTube is expansional. Look at Mr. Beast's career and how he grew on YouTube. How many years he put out a lot of videos and didn't grow at all. It is right now the time for YouTube with the biggest competition, but as well with the most people who use the platform as well. I try to show you the way to get financial free even if YouTube is not working at all, because YouTube is just a vehicle and investing is the safest way overall. If you invest on regular basis every month a little bit of money from your salary or whatever income you have into a worldwide spread ETF, you should be safe. And compound interest over time is your strongest vehicle that you have, even if you are younger, because time will generate your wealth. So since the past week, I am currently at around 18,100 and have an unrealized profit of almost 3,400. And if we go into my positions, you see my biggest position at all is the S&P 500 VOO with around 10 positions and a market value of over $6,300. I have a couple of bets as well with single stocks like Google or Amazon or even Microsoft, but I bought it in the dip and had my own small goals, like getting over 10 stocks of Amazon or of Google and even get 10 shares of my ETF. And if you choose the strategy to buy single stocks and as well to outperform the market, I'm right now onto that and it looks pretty hard. If you understood my positions and my biggest position, which is the S&P 500, I'm going hand in hand with it currently. But it's hard to beat it over time, because the S&P 500 has the 500 biggest company in the US, which is easy to just hold and buy monthly and don't think of it, don't look the news and other things. And I as well want to mention, if you grow in the educational space, it is pretty hard in times that we have right now. And I know one day, if I get my first 100K, the whole situation will change. You just have to believe it. Don't stop with uploading videos or investing your money. If you really believe in it, if you see it with your own eyes, it will happen, guys. Hopefully I can teach you something with that. And I can promise you, one day I will get over 100K in my investments, because I won't stop. And as well my YouTube channel will grow. And after that you can diversify. And I will show you that as well. But this is a topic of the future. And the only thing that we can do is living in the moment that we have right now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.